Igbo Area TV on Ndigbo.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you. Please hit the subscribe button and let's go there. Time no day. Fresh charges against Nnamdi Kanu is laughable, according to brother Emmanuel Kanu, the younger brother of Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB, according to report, has dismissed as laughable the reported fresh charges to be brought against his brother by federal government, asking the Attorney General and Minister of Justice Abubakar Malami to channel such charges to the killer headsmen and Mieti Allah Cattle Breeders Association. Emmanuel Kanu spoke with the Daily Independent in Umuahia on Thursday ahead of Kanu's appearance in court on Monday, July 26, 2021. The younger Kanu described his brother as a freedom fighter, adding that the charges are dead on arrival. He stated clearly that some people in this country are killing and admitting that they are the ones that killed without a government, Malami, or security agencies arresting or preferring charges against them, noting that his brother Nnamdi Kanu is a freedom fighter for Christians and people of the minorities of southern and northern Nigeria. In other words, one man's freedom fighter is another man's terrorist, he concluded. Perhaps there is a mix-up somewhere. How can you charge him for what the Fulani headsmen committed? Even Nigerian government under Buhari is so biased. The way they took Nnamdi Kanu's matter as if he is a troubler of this country. As far as we know, the major cause of insecurity in Nigeria is the Fulani headsmen activities. A particular nomadic race is troubling a whole nation. Every part of the country has felt the pains from these people. Nigeria should copy the spirit of Igbo man. We are meant to understand that Abia prioritizes youth inclusiveness and empowerment in its overall development endeavors. Meanwhile, Abia State Governor Dr. Okezi Ikpeazu has called on other Nigerians to copy the spirit of Igbo man to enhance national cohesion and development. Ikpeazu stated this in an interview in Aba, explained that the Igbo man is the only real Nigeria who can find investment everywhere across the nation. He stated that while the Igbo can be found to be investing in places like Kaura, Namoda, Zamfara State, other tribes in Nigeria hardly invest in Igbo land, and with that he called for a change to promote national unity. According to him, for the Igbo man to come and do a 5-story building in Kaura, Namoda and establish a hospital, build other things, including university in Kaduna, to add value, means that he has the faith that he belongs there, and he's not likely going to encourage anything that will not protect his investments. He stressed that other Nigerians are still withdrawn and unable to trust one another, owing to the fact that one cannot find an Adamu Sanda Nigeria Limited on Azikiwe Road in Abia, and it's even more difficult to find Kolawole Nigeria Limited in Enugu. The Igbo man, he said, has value and support socio-economic development, but there has been this failure to recognize by the authorities that there are people talking through their attitudes that they are the real Nigerians. Ikpeazu further urged the Nigerians to rather walk their talk than only declaring that they are Nigerians. Who are the people that demonstrated faith in Nigeria? He asked. It is undeniably, unarguably the Igbo man. He then stated that it is not about population, strategic location, or leaving a foot to the river. Rather, it is about those who are prepared to recover Sambisa forests for the reason that they want to do business in Sambisa. The Igbo man wants to live in Sambisa and do business. He concluded that the Igbo man doesn't just see Sambisa as a forest, but an investment opportunity. And this is the outlook Nigeria needs, he added. Meanwhile, Ndigbo, it's time to be careful where you invest. We understand that our nature of going to remotest places, we understand that nature, that we are itinerary people. Yes, but let's cut down. Things are changing. In rounding up, let's talk about Obi Cubana. Obi Cubana has done another ritual with Oba youths, but you won't notice it now. It's a matter of time. He's investing 300 million naira in 300 Oba youths, $1 million each. In about 5 years, at least 1/3 of them will be harvested to be millionaires, and probably in 10 years, 50 of 300 will be certified millionaires, and possibly 10 of these 300 will be billionaires in 10 years' time. Yes, similar rituals have produced Cubana, chief priest, his boy, Jodedera, Cubana, Chi Cubana, Cubana chief priest, celebrity barman, etc. The other day, Cubana invited all again for another occasion, and these new fruits of its plus, the old offspring struggle to find space to sprinkle and spray their own fountain of cash. Today in 2021, today is 2021. By 2031, his 300 million is now billions with heavy human capital development. Ezigbo ritual, nkabro ritual ndo nyabo. Settled boys. Those boys, definitely, some of them will turn out to be billionaires. You that has been eating your own 300 million alone, be having orgasm or panda, calling him a ritualist. That's how the real Igbo rituals are performed, and not by killing a madi begi or shouting in one shrine. You will tell Bara, ego. No. Where are the Obi Cubanas in your home, town, or village? Where are they? And that is a fact too. That is the fact. There are several ways to plant millionaires. Just like Harvard Business School has said, Igbo apprenticeship system is the best business incubator in the world. It is in Harvard School, Harvard University. They are studying Igbo apprentice system. This is a way of also growing people. Obi Cubana is giving 100 people each, 300 people, 1 million naira each. Definitely, in a matter of 10 years, 5 to 10 years, many of these who he has empowered will become millionaires. And when he has a show or he has a feast, these ones will want to contribute cows. Could you imagine the number of cows that was contributed while Obi Cubana was celebrating, doing his mother's burial? How many of the cows did they buy? No. Most of the cows were donated by people he has helped. That is it. That is a way of incubating billionaires. You are sowing into them. A lot of these guys has ideas, but they don't have a startup. Obi Cubana, by sowing into them, they will want to return. This is the best ritual, not killing, spilling blood. Meanwhile, viewers, what do you think? Please add your comment. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Click on the bell icon to get our updates anytime it drops. Bye for now.